How can DACA recipients avoid deportation if the program stops? Imagine waking up one day and hearing that the program protecting you from deportation no longer exists. It can be scary, but there are ways to stay in the United States legally. Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA, gives certain undocumented immigrants who came as children a temporary shield from deportation and permission to work. This protection lasts for 2 years and needs renewal. If DACA ends, those protected could face removal unless they find another legal way to stay. One option is to apply for a different immigration status. For example, if a DACA recipient marries a U.S. citizen or someone with lawful permanent residency, they might qualify for a green card. This process involves filing a petition and attending an interview, which can take several months. They must also prove the marriage is genuine. Another route is seeking asylum. If someone fears persecution or harm in their home country, they can apply for asylum within 1 year of arriving in the United States. If approved, they can stay legally and eventually apply for a green card. Some might qualify for special visas like the Uvisa for victims of certain crimes or the T visa for victims of human trafficking. These visas requiring evidence of victimization and cooperation with law enforcement. They can lead to permanent residence after a few years. Temporary protected status is another option. If a person's home country is experiencing war, natural disaster, or other unsafe conditions, the government may grant TPS. This status allows individuals to stay and work legally for a limited time, which can be renewed if conditions persist. Advance parole is a travel document that lets DACA recipients leave and return to the United States legally. It's only available in specific situations like family emergencies or educational opportunities. However, applying for advance parole does not guarantee protection if DACA is no longer available. If no other legal options are available, a person may go through removal proceedings. During these hearings, they can ask an immigration judge for relief. To qualify for relief like cancellation of removal, they must have lived in the United States for at least 10 years, have good moral character, and show that their removal would cause extreme hardship to a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident family member. For Black immigrants and others facing these challenges, it's vital to seek help from trusted legal organizations or immigration attorneys. These professionals understand the complexities and can guide you through the process. In the end, even if DACA ends, there are still pathways to stay in the United States legally. Exploring these options carefully and with proper legal help can make a difference in protecting your future here.